fully engaged? Move it into first gear. Good girl, yep. Okay, now gently letting that clutch out and thinking about our acceleration. That's good. Just a bit less speed, please, off the accelerator a bit. That's it. Thinking about our steering now, watching carefully. That's good. That's really good. That's really good. That's it, stay on track over the little bump. And then as we come down the other side, start to engage our clutch and our brake gently on both. We'll come to a stop, please. Clutch all the way in, brake on, great. Put the car into neutral. And check it's in neutral there. Good, okay. Nice work, first drive. Well done.